How to delete blockchain account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can delete your blockchain account. So then to delete your blockchain account, all you have to do is just log in into your blockchain first thing, and once you're on the home page, go ahead and tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right hand side corner. After that, it's going to take you to the profile info page, and under it you need to scroll down a bit and go to accounts. So as you click on account, that's going to take you to this field where you need to go ahead and select delete account. Tapped on the delete account button, then you'll be able to see all those information. That is, when you're actually deleting account, this sort of data will be deleted permanently. So go ahead and tap on the delete button if you want to continue. Next page, you have to type delete my account to confirm that you're human, and just go ahead and tap on delete account. Sometimes for the security concern, you might be asked to enter in the passcode or maybe a code that's going to be sent through a registered email address for the verification of your ID, and then you've successfully deleted your blockchain account. So that's basically how you can delete your blockchain account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.